Hey babes, and welcome back to Elevated with Zai, the space where we glow, grow, and level up in every way. If you're new here, hi, I'm Zai, and trust me, you're right on time. As you guys can see from the title of today's video, your girl got a wig review, and I've been fiending. I've had this package for about a week and a half. I've been waiting specifically for this video for me to open it up. So your girl was scrolling on TikTok, per usual, and for some reason, the MegaLook Wigs kept coming up on my For You page. Like, I was just constantly getting advertisements for it, and I was just like, should I try it out? Like, I already have like a black straight wig, but I didn't have a brown one, so I took it upon myself to order me a brown glueless wig. I can't remember if I ordered it in a 24-inch or a 26-inch, but either way, I know the length is gonna get. So this is the advertisement I seen of the wig.
MegaLook has to be one of the best wig companies I've ever worked with. This is a 13x6 color 4 wig. This wig has a lot of parting space and an adjustable band that you just have to pull in the back. What you're gonna see me doing in the beginning of this video is just securing the ear tabs with lace tape, just to show you that you can wear it like that and you don't need any glue at all. You see right here, it's completely glueless and the tabs are still down. But then I'm gonna show you guys how to do a full install with just lace tape and a little bit of lace spray. I'm gonna add lace tape all around the front of my head just to show you guys, if you wanna rock it like that, you definitely can with no problems. That lace tape is gonna be secure, child. Look at that. I could pull it and it's still on my head. But I really want to show y'all how good this lace could really melt, like for real, for real. So we're gonna secure it down for sure with some lace spray that I got with the TikTok shop. And this lace spray is everything and more. I'm gonna let that speak for itself. Don't let that melt distract you from the color of this wig though. This brown is so pretty. I'm really getting into the brown wigs. I'm really starting to love them.
So this should be an easy install because, you know, your girl is a beginner when it comes down to this hair stuff. I'm not good at plucking, and your girl never bleached a wig before. So I'm glad that this wig already comes prepared, and your girl is just so excited. I cannot wait to see what wig I got, because I know when it comes down to influencers, they get the best wig. So I'm just hoping my wig is similar to what I've been seeing on TikTok. If it's not, I'm gonna be so upset, but maybe it's something I can work with. So let's just hurry up and open up the wig. This is my wig from MegaLook, y'all. Be yourself, be mega. I know that's right. Oh my gosh, I know this wig is gonna eat. I could just feel it. Okay, so I did order me a 24-inch. And the wig doesn't just come the wig itself. They also give you like a little care package. So because this is a glueless wig, they do provide you with these little tabs that you put right here. The sideburn area. You get you a little wig band, a brush, and of course they provide you with 2 wig caps. Just this. Share your beauty, 5 stars, and pictures cashback, big coupon. Tag post on social media equals $15 cashback. So if I post up in this wig, you telling me I'm gonna get $15 back? Is that what they saying? Instagram, TikTok. Okay. Y'all, I'm working to grow my social media platforms. Like, my TikTok page has reached a certain amount of views to the point where it says that I can get paid, but because I don't have the follower count that they want me to have, I can't get paid. So I gotta boost that up, because I could be doing like wig reviews, me getting paid, because who don't like keeping their hair done? All right, so let's see if this 24 inches really giving 24 inches for real. Because I know some girls were saying that they ordered them like a 24-inch and it came like 26 inches. So I'm like, if I can order like a shorter length and still kind of get a longer length without having to pay the longer length price, I'm gonna try it out. You see? It doesn't stink, but there is a little smell. I don't know if it's like, I don't know if it's giving like fish or like cigarettes. There is a little smell though. I feel like this was perfect because we're just touching into November and fall is here. Why not have a fall color? And I never had a brown wig before, so this is gonna be my first time. Oh, they give you some extra ear tabs. Yes. Because I was looking in the little package here. I'm like, hold on, that's all the ear tabs I get? They giving me like a 1 use. Little 1, 2, 3 use. So thankfully, your girl just got a fresh braid down. I actually just washed my hair today, and my mommy braided my hair for me, so my braids is fresh. For all my like wig professionals, my hair professional girlies, is this giving more than 24 inches? Because I think it is, low key. Is it? Or am I being delusional? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put her on this mannequin head right here. Y'all, look at this is gonna give scalp. Look at the lace, y'all. It's gonna give scalp. This wig is always gonna eat. They already cut like basically like for the ear tabs. TikTok. Let me find out. Okay, so let me get me a wig cap. I have a bunch of wig caps because I ordered in bulk from Shein. Y'all remember when I did my little Shein accessory haul? I'm gonna use them wig caps. I got a bunch of them in here. And these wig caps are really thin. Like when I go get my wig installed, I don't really put on wig caps because I be so hot and I sweat from my head. So wearing a wig cap makes my install like melt off faster. But yeah, we're gonna use some of these. Is it like the same color what they provided? It's kind of like the, yeah, it's literally like the same color they provided. Sort of. I just want to do like a little test to see. So the wig comes with like a drawstring so you can adjust to your head size. Okay. All right, so for one, I'm definitely gonna have to put some makeup on that wig cap for sure, ski. That's one. And then two, because let me see, I want my wig like right there. Okay. Ooh, yes. So the only thing I'm really worried about is my sideburns are so long. I don't know if the sticky is gonna be able to really stick down. But what I did see on TikTok was a girl who actually used like the ear tabs, but she wanted like some extra like hold. So she used this lace bond spray. So I think I'm gonna use the lace bond spray. Not right now, but in the future when I do lay down the wig. Let me drawstring the back. I never had this color before. I'm nervous. I don't know if I like it. You see? The hair is soft. You see that? And it, with the lace. Where's the lace, y'all? Where is the lace? You could never go wrong with a glueless wig. TikTok, you did not disappoint. I was really scared. I'm not gonna lie. I was really scared, TikTok. Y'all did not disappoint. Well, I got that little lump. You see that little lump right here? What's that? Is that hair? I think that's the hair. I don't got no hot comb. I gotta get it together, y'all. I don't have no products that I need. I like this. Y'all could tell I like this. I'm still playing it. Okay, so if I use this spray with some makeup, I know it's gonna give scalp. For real, because the lace is already kind of disappearing. But let me throw some makeup on it that's my complexion and I'm good. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try the ear tab and see if they can work, being that my sideburns is super long. All right, y'all, so let me get my clips ready. You know, we gotta make it, we gotta act like we know what we're doing for real. It can't be that hard. It's supposed to be beginner friendly, right? Ooh, and this feels sticky too. So it should have some great adhesive. Like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like right here. It's a little hard to put the other adhesive part on. I've been seeing like a lot of people been advertising kind of like lace tape. And we're gonna see what this is about. Hold on. Oh, we're not sticking. Okay, it's not sticking, y'all. My sideburns is really long. Let me see. Yeah, no. The lace tape is a no-go. At least for me. And it could be because, you know, I don't have like the wig cap on how everybody else will have the wig cap on. So let's try something else. Alright, so I kind of wanted to refrain from this part, being that I just washed my head. But I don't have no other choice. And I want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm just gonna do like light dabs to color the cap. Because even if I don't do it right now, I know eventually I'm gonna want a side part. So I just wanted to make sure that when I do part, when I have the wig on my head, it looks like my scalp. That's how people be cutting off this part. Like this band, that band is so thick. Like my gosh. You know what? Forget the Shein cap. Let me use one of the caps they gave me. Because do it have that? It might not have a thick band like this one does. Oh, it's taking everything in me not to like install this thing on my head. Should I just like glue my cap down just for the one time? Should I? At least the front. At least glue the front just a little bit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just do it. Why not? We ball. Just do a little bit. Mind you, this is a glueless install, but you know, the tape just isn't working for me. I don't even have like no blow dryer for real. I got this like brush. I'm so mad I'm putting this on my head. I literally just washed my hair. Clean hair. Nice oil scalp and everything. All to waste. Oh, I should have banded it down. Look at me thinking I know what I'm doing. Hold on, y'all. Let me. I'm just trying anything at this point. Ooh, yes. I might have just did something. Y'all think I did something just now? Probably not. I know all the girls that do wigs is probably like, what are you doing? Y'all, I'm learning. Don't judge me. I'm just thinking, ooh, wait, hold on, cause it's fake a little stud. I ain't even cut my ears out. See, this is what I be talking about. I don't even know what I'm doing for real. I don't think them ends is down for real, which is always like a problem I run into when I install my own wigs because my sideburns is so long. Like when I be getting my hair done, I don't know how they be doing it, but they be tucking the sideburns. But to be honest, I also kind of do be like cutting my sideburns before I go to my appointments to make it a little easier for them. All right, we're gonna take this off now. I just love how, you see how they cut it in the front? Okay, I'm trying to see where I gotta cut. I gotta cut a little bit more lace right there. This side is perfect. I just gotta cut a little bit more of the cap that I have all the way out here for some reason. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try the stickers again. What I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna put it along where the wig cap is at to see if it'll stay better, because I honestly don't wanna use this lace bond spray and then it gets all in the lace and gets gunky and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try it again. Second time is a charm. And this also is like where they was putting like the lace tape. But it's just like, how strong y'all think lace tape is? Especially for me, like I'm a big sweater. I don't know if lace tape is gonna work for me, babes. I need glue. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try this one more time. Maybe the third time is a charm. Should never be this hard. It's supposed to be a 1, 2, 3 thing. A large part. Alright, and now, oh Lord, let's just take the wig off, y'all. Jeez Louise. Y'all, I finally got the tape off. So what I did, I tried to put it as close as possible was to my sideburn area. So we're gonna see if it lays down. So I'm gonna make sure I pull my wig down to where I want it. Stick it like that. Okay. So the tape does work. It instantly worked too. I just wish I knew what to do about my sideburns. It's harder for the sideburn area for me. I'm gonna show you guys up close. This is what it looks like. Is it giving scalp? The lace literally blends right in. I don't think TikTok did bad with this wig at all. I think they sold me a great quality wig. It's nice and full, true to length. I don't even see no shedding, and it is an easy install. And as for like the ear tab parts, I feel like an ear tab will work really well with somebody that doesn't have long sideburns like me. I'll probably end up cutting my sideburns again just to see like if that makes a difference, because I do want to do my glueless install too. I don't want to have to like glue down my wig, but with me putting the tape like in this area and right here, I don't even really have to glue it down. The wig is down. This is how the wig looks in the back. Hair is not stiff at all. TikTok, you did your big one with this. I was nervous at first, but you guys did really good. I would say go to the TikTok shop and order it. When I ordered it, it was on sale. Being that Black Friday is right around the corner, it'll probably be back on sale. So go ahead and get you a wig, a glueless wig from MegaLook, y'all. Why now that I'm cleaning up and stuff, I decided to take a look at this little pamphlet on the back of it. I didn't know there was instructions. And in the instructions, it says to use the tweezers for the tape. I'm like, there's no way I'm supposed to be using my fingers. Like, it was so hard to use my fingers. But now I know for the future, use this, please. It'll make your life 10 times easier. It's actually, then it'll actually be a 1, 2, 3 step type of thing. This is so cute. It don't even have the smell that I was smelling. I don't know what I was smelling earlier, but it definitely smells like, it smells like the silicone that you guys wash wigs with. It smells really good. The hair smells good. I don't know, maybe it was the net it came in right along with this. Yeah, this kind of got this thing smell on it. But other than that, go get y'all this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry if it was all over the place. It just threw me off when my ear tabs wasn't fitting. I didn't know if I was supposed to glue it down, but I'm like, hold on, I'm supposed to be doing a glueless install. I gotta do what I'm supposed to do. MegaLook / TikTok did not disappoint. They provided a pre-bleached, pre-plucked wig. It was true to length. Hair is full, no shedding, and I like this color. It is giving fall. I'm liking this. I just gotta find some way to style this. I think I'm gonna do me a side part, because I said I always do middle part, so I'm definitely gonna do me a side part. I think I've said all I needed to say, and you guys could kind of see, like, just go and buy the wig. That's my review. Go and buy it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, please let me know down below in the comments. And as I always say, keep your standards high and your vibes even higher. Don't just dream it, elevate it, okay? You were made to shine and level up, so don't forget it. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.